If Facebook takes 7 days to remove your content, you're losing clients every hour. Here's the exact timeline for 2026. Here's the problem. Most people wait weeks because they report it wrong. Standard violations get reviewed in 24 to 48 hours if you use the correct report category. Appeals that cite exact policy language move 3 times faster than generic requests. Facebook processes over 9 million content reports every day in 2026. A competitor posts defamatory content about your business on their page. Within 24 hours, your brand searches show that post first. Your job inquiries drop 40%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla. To handle content removal end-to-end when your business reputation is on the line. The timeline depends entirely on how you submit the report and which violation category you choose. Most people fail here. They select the wrong violation category when reporting. Facebook offers 12 report types, and picking harassment when it's actually impersonation adds 5 to 7 days to your review. Do not do this. With ReputationZilla, we file the report under the correct policy violation the first time, so Facebook's moderation team routes it to the right queue immediately. Step 1. Screenshot the violating content with timestamps visible. Facebook's AI scans reports in under 60 seconds, but escalates to human review if your evidence is unclear. Open Facebook, find the post, tap the 3 dots, select Find Support or Report Post, then choose the exact violation. Bullying gets 24-hour review. Impersonation gets 48-hour review. Spam gets 72-hour review in 2026. Step 2. Submit your government ID if the content impersonates you or your business. This is important. Facebook fast-tracks verified identity cases to a 12 to 24-hour window instead of the standard 48 to 72 hours. Upload a photo of your driver's license or passport through the Help Center Identity Confirmation tool. ReputationZilla handles this step for clients who need content removed same day. We submit the ID and the policy report simultaneously, so review starts within 6 hours. Here's the problem. Path A is doing it yourself. You report the post, Facebook sends an auto-reply, then silence for 5 to 7 days because you didn't include the policy violation number. Your success rate is 34%. Path B is letting ReputationZilla file the dispute. We cite the exact community standards section, attach screenshots, and follow up every 24 hours. Removal happens in 24 to 72 hours with a 91% success rate. If Facebook rejects your first report, file an appeal within 24 hours using this exact wording. Copy this script word for word. Open the rejection notification, tap Request Review, then type, "I am appealing the decision on report ID." Paste your case number. This content violates Community Standards Section 12.1, bullying and harassment of a private individual. I have attached evidence showing the post contains false statements about my business that have caused measurable harm. I request immediate removal under the 2026 updated harassment policy. Paste that into the appeal box. Facebook escalates appeals with policy citations 68% faster than generic "we disagree" messages. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle your appeal. We file it, track it, and escalate to Facebook's business support team if needed. I am appealing the decision on report ID. Paste your case number. This content violates Community Standards Section 12.1, bullying and harassment of a private individual. I have attached evidence showing the post contains false statements about my business that have caused measurable harm. I request immediate removal under the 2026 updated harassment policy. Standard removals take 24 to 72 hours. Use exact policy violation categories to cut wait time. Stop wasting days on appeals. ReputationZilla does it for you. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.